Hi everyone. Today's little quote is by Basil King. Behold, and mighty forces will come to your aid. And I'll pan out just a little bit so you can see some of the beautiful flowers that are on this. This is like a little perpetual calendar that I get these quotes from. I just really enjoy sharing them. They have such positivity. I'm all about being positive and focusing on the positive. So I hope that you really enjoy these little quotes that I share. See you in the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Planning with J.A.M. I'm excited to be here. I hope you are too. I have pulled some stickers that I thought I was going to use and never used. So I'm going to try to use those in today's spread. And we're going to be doing June 3rd through the 9th. So let me pull out a couple things. I know I have an appointment on the 3rd. I really wanted to use this Cannot Adult because I have a show that on the 1st. And I like to take Mondays off, but other than I already kind of had thrown these on in advance, like months ago, these stickers. So I want to kind of go along with the theme of what I want to do. So I'm just going to put down this sticker for my appointment. And then I have dog sitting, and I'll probably leave Friday. So let me try to find something maybe like that. Hello, sunshine. Okay, that'll mark that. And the rest of the week, I don't have anything going on yet. It's all about relaxing after my show. Summer started. I just want to decompress. I'd like to pick up my grandchildren, and maybe I will pick them up over this weekend. I need to remind myself to call and see if they're busy. Okay, so I have all these stickers, and they're kind of random, but we're just gonna put them down and we'll figure it out as we go. For Thursday, we'll put another one on Wednesday and one for Tuesday. Oops, dog hair. One for Tuesday. And that should be about all I need for boxes. So we have this little flower sticker. I'm going to add it over here. We have a purple flower. I'm wondering if that purple flower could go. Why not? It's on the page, and I really just kind of want to clean up the wax paper. Ooh, shoot, I started to rip. Clean up the wax paper. Just have a fresh start for the new month. I've also decided not to use my tracker for the summer. I wasn't really utilizing it other than my exercise. And crafting. I don't need to track that I'm crafting. So we're just gonna leave that off for the summer. Okay, this little purple flower, I thought maybe we could add here. We'll add a flower here. I do want to leave room if I do decide to do something that I have a little bit of room. But for the most part, I'm just worried about relaxing this week. Okay. I have this sticker. We can use that one. That's probably all I'm going to need. I don't know if I'll be doing anything, but I just think this is such a fun sticker. So I'm going to put that down. And the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add one of my sidebars to keep track of my exercising. We have a lot of purple. Let's add some pink. Yeah, I think that one works. And that's today's spread. Simple, quick, easy, using up stickers that I already had out. I hope you enjoyed. This is a little wrinkly. A little bit wrinkly on this one, but other than that, it is good. Sorry for the long pause. I was thinking. I can't think and talk at the same time, as you've probably guessed by now. Hi, everyone. Somehow I didn't hit the button, and I went off and finished this spread without recording. So I wanted to show you the finished product, and I'm going to write in some plans. I will upload it and post it for you guys. Let's see, what color? Let's do purple. Not much going on this week. Remember, I said that earlier in the video. I am going to be picking up my grandchildren. And I have a nephew's birthday party to go to. That I just found out about. I don't know if there's any boxes that go with this. I don't have any more pulled out. I used everything that was on my wax paper. Okay, that book is not going to help me. Needed. Pink. That would probably be the best color to go with that. You know, these are great books to have to organize your own way, or if a book is falling apart. But if you want to get to those top ones, what a pain in the butt. All right, and then I'm just gonna, just because it's part of what's going on Sunday, so it looks like we are gonna have our little pool party, depending on weather, but either way, he'll come and visit for a little while, because he's going to pick the kids up and take them back home. And that's what my week looks like. I have a few little tasks to do. it's going to be a nice restful week. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Please hit the notification button if you like what you watched today so that you know when I put out new content. Thank you for planning with J.A.M. Bye everyone, till next time.